The topic here is solving trigonometric equations. So let's do this example. Solve cosine square x plus cosine x minus 2 equals 0. X is between 0 and 2 pi. 2 pi is not included. So first, this is quadratic equation. Every time you have quadratic equation, think about factoring. It's the first thing. You want to have something that look like this equal to 0, therefore you're going to say this is 0 and this is 0, and then from there you go. So how can we factor? If you don't see it right away, call cosine of x but y, for example, or anything, any variable. So if you call it y, this equation is just actually saying y squared plus y minus 2 equals 0. So how do we factor this equation? Well, we're looking for two numbers. The product is negative 2, and then you add them, you get 1. So what are they? 2 and minus 1, right? So this is going to be plus 2 minus 1. But what is a y? Y right here is just cosine of x. So actually it's a cosine of x plus 2 cosine of x minus 1. Oops. Now, like I said, product of two numbers is 0, means the first factor is 0, or the second factor is 0. What does it mean cosine of x plus 2 equals 0? It means cosine of x is equal to negative 2. Cosine minus 1 is equal to 0 means cosine of x is equal to 1. Can cosine be equal to negative 2? No, there is no solutions for this part. Why? Because we know that the cosine is all, and the sine both, they're always between negative 1 and 1. They cannot be bigger than 1, cannot be smaller than negative 1. But what is cosine equal to 1? And remember also, every time you solve for cosine or sine, if you get 0, 1, or negative 1, you have to think of quadrantal angles. The angles, the x has to be quadrantal angle. In other words, you use unit circle. So cosine is equal to 1 means what? Means cosine is always the a, so we're talking about that. It's the only one, right? So it's 0 degrees. So this means the x is equal 0 degrees or 0 radians, same thing. 0 degrees. Well, actually radian, because it's 0 to 2 pi. So 0, right? Now let's do the next example. Let's assume they just say solve for x. They didn't say x is between 0 to 2 pi. It means x can be any real number. What's the difference? The problem is the same. The only difference, you take whatever you got, all the solution, and just add 2k pi. And then you say k is an integer. What does it mean integer? It means is equal 0 minus plus 1 minus plus 2 blah blah blah. Well, 0 plus 2k pi is just 2k pi. And that's it for this example.